everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you need to remove a credit card from your TikTok account, this video will guide you through the process. It is a quick and easy task, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then, click on the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down to find the Balance section and tap on it. Next, select Payment Methods to see the list of credit cards linked to your account. Then, find the credit card you want to remove and tap on it. You should see an option to remove or delete. Confirm the removal, and the card will be unlinked from your account. And that's it. You have successfully removed a credit card from your TikTok account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.